What do you know? It is delivery day. Again, what do we got? All right, everybody. So we just had our nice little package come in. That it's our sample box for some merchandise that we're working on from rapidwristbands.com. Take a look here what we got. So this is just a little sample package that came for it. Looks like we got all sorts of little handy dandy little different versions going on here. We got their little flyer there with all their information. And the fun thing is, from looking at some of their info, they are right here where we are currently located in our current hometown of Houston. Okay. She's like a kid at Christmas right now. She's trying to tear into this thing. And this package is way bigger than I was expecting. What do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? Got a little compass on there. Dream on Wheelz. Got a little RB. Got some little mountain there. Follow your dreams. Little mappy thing there. Looky there, looky there, looky there. Looky there, looky there. Now I know y'all want some of these. I know you do. And look at you tell we got a whole bunch. We got a whole bunch here. What do you know?
1, 2, and...
Oh yeah? There's nothing else behind there? You picked them all up?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't think she's sure. She has no clue. Honey.
Hi.
So, as you saw, dreamers, we have new merchandise available. We have some wristbands available. She's having to pick up the mess. She got to make the mess. I told her to have a kid do it, but she decided she's going to do it herself. So hit us up on an email, dreamonwheelz@gmail.com. Let us know if you want some. So let's see if we can find out if we can get a tour and see how these wristbands are made, because I'd like to watch my Dream on Wheelz wristbands being made. That would just make my day.